So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Hey, Uber guy.
That's me, yeah.
That's you?
Yeah, what's your name?
Oh, Celine.
Celine?
Hello.
Okay, yeah, get in the back.
Woo.
I just moved your seat up for you.
Oh.
How's it going?
Oh, it's good.
So you're going to Lucky Charm Bar
Yeah.
at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
2 p.m. on a Tuesday, huh?
Hey, maybe I'll get lucky. A Lucky Charm bar, huh? Yeah.
Are you meeting people there, or?
Yeah. I have a couple friends there, you know.
Yeah. Sorry, I got a lot of Starbucks in here. I'm a
That's
coffee
okay.
addict. Coffee addict myself.
Oh, yeah. This is totally Starbucks. Totally.
Yeah?
Starbucks.
Kind of smells like, that's not alcohol in there, is it? Oh, that smells. What is that?
Just a little bit of something I like to call vodka. But I won't tell if you don't.
You can't have vodka in here.
It's water.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Do you want some? Huh?
No. I'm not gonna drink your drink.
Tuesday 2 a.m. Tuesday 2
Okay,
a.m.
just please,
vodka
can you
in
just?
the cup. Tuesday 2 a.m.
Look, I just started drinking my coffee. It hasn't kicked in yet. Can you just keep it down a bit?
I think you should make it Irish coffee. Irish.
What's an Irish coffee?
Oh,
Don't spill in here.
oh.
These are new suede seats, suede leather.
Oh, sorry, I spilled a little bit.
I just got my car detailed last week, so.
Oh, that's cool. Well, now it smells like vodka. So.
I thought you said it was water.
I mean water. It smells like water.
It better be water in there.
Wow, I like your glasses.
Hey, I'm driving.
They look good.
Hey, stop! I'm driving.
You look really good at those glasses.
Don't touch me, please.
Wait, why? Look at your hair. It's so nice too. You're pretty cute.
Are you drunk?
No, but you are pretty cute. So where are you from?
California.
Oh, cool.
Hey,
Me
why are you
too.
touching me?
Wait, nothing. You seem tense. You should get a massage.
You can't. You're not supposed to touch me. I don't think.
Can
Can you stop? Can you just stop?
No, you're
Just-
so cute. Look at your hair.
Hey, is your seatbelt on? Hey! I'm driving. Hey!
Wait. I just.
Put your seatbelt on.
It is on.
You're not even sitting.
Ooh.
Okay, there's people around, so if you do that again, I'm gonna tell them.
Tell who? You can't.
That lady in the
tell
rocking
me.
chair right there.
I'm too cute. Too cute.
Can you just? Can you put your seatbelt on?
Where is this? Is this? Oh. I just took down the whole seat. Should I sit
What?
on the seat?
Wait, what did
You
you
know
do?
what? I think you should hold on to me.
Hey, no.
You should hold on to me. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
off of me. I'm
Wait,
driving.
I
I'm
need a
driving.
seatbelt.
I'm driving.
Oh, whoa, careful.
Hey. I'm gonna let you out, okay?
Oh.
I'm sorry, but you're gonna get out right here,
Wait,
okay?
what?
But
it's 2 a.m.
What did you do to my
Ow.
seat?
Oh, I spilled some of your
You put it down?
coffee. Oh, I spilled some of your coffee.
Ew.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, you're getting out right here, okay?
Wait, oh God.
I'm not, I don't get paid enough for this.
No.
You can find another driver to do this too.
Wait, can I get your number?
No.
But.
No.
But I'm cute and you're cute and look at your glasses.
Hey, these are prescription, okay? These cost a lot of money.
Man, you know what? You know what? Screw you. I'm going to Lucky Charms. I'm gonna get lucky. You're just gonna stay here and be a nerd.
I'm at work. I'm working right now.
Nerd work. Nerd work.
This is how I pay
You're
my
a
rent.
nerd. Work. You're still pretty
Get
cute,
out.
though.
Get out of my car.
Okay,
Get out.
Okay.
Shut the door. Shut the door, please. Alright, guys. That video was fake, I think, right?
I'm instantly sober again.
Yeah, you're instantly sober. Guys, that was a skit. But this is a good reminder, and like, you will, if you are driving Uber, get a lot of drunk passengers. Pretty similar to that, actually. I've actually been touched before driving, and it's not always fun. It's usually not fun. So just be careful out there. And if you do need to kick somebody out of your car, don't be afraid to. Pull over, kick them out. They probably won't even remember it. So,
Most
yeah.
likely
But
not.
thank you for being in the video, Celine. Nice acting, by the way.
Thank you.
Much better than mine.
Professional drunk actor, you know.
So this is what you guys need to do in this situation. We're just making these videos just to show you guys what to do in this situation. Use the link down below for Get Upside to save money on your gas, by the way. So thank you to everyone who watched the video, and shout out to everyone who downloads Get Upside. I use Get Upside. The Rideshare Guy, Harry Campbell, uses Get Upside. Dustin is Driving uses Get Upside. A lot of Uber and Lyft drivers use it because we spend a lot of money on gas, so we get a lot of cash back. But anybody can use it. If you buy gas, all you gotta do, download the app, go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you get like $5, $2, $3 every single time you fill up gas. So it adds up. Use it, and thank you for being on the channel.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bye, guys.
Bye.